In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the perfect WordPress theme for your blog or website. Choosing the right theme can be a game changer when it comes to creating an engaging and professional-looking site. It not only sets the tone for the overall look, but also affects user experience. So let's dive in and make the process simple and straightforward. First, you're going to start by heading over to wordpress.com. This is your hub for all things related to WordPress, and it's where you can manage your site's settings, content, and design. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your WordPress account. You'll find this crucial, as it allows you to access all the features and tools available for your site. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's quick and free. Next, let's focus on navigating through the WordPress interface. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the tab labeled Appearance. The Appearance section is where you customize the look of your site, and it holds a plethora of choices that can turn your vision for your website into reality. Once you've clicked on Appearance, you'll see another option called Themes right there. Go ahead and click on that. Themes are essentially the templates that define the visual appeal and functionality of your site. WordPress offers an extensive library of both free and premium themes, catering to different styles, industries, and preferences. Whether you're going for a sleek, minimalist vibe or a bold, colorful display, there's a theme out there for you. Now you can browse through the available options. A pro tip here is to use the search or filter options to narrow down themes by features, layout, or even the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Does your website need a prominent image slider or a particular color palette? These preferences can help streamline your search. Once you find a theme you like, you can live preview it to see how it would look with your content. This is a great way to visualize your site and make sure it aligns with your brand or personal style. After previewing and deciding it's the right fit, you can activate the theme with just a click. Remember, you can always switch themes later if your taste or needs change, so don't feel pressured to find the perfect one right off the bat. Flexibility is one of the strengths of using WordPress. In summary, finding a WordPress theme is about simplicity and matching it with the feel and functionality you envision for your website. With these easy steps, you're well on your way to creating a stunning site that stands out on the web. I hope this guide was helpful, and I can't wait to see the amazing websites you create.